Okay, in this video I'm going to show you how I added this color correction effect to my clip. You can see the original clip here looks really yellow, and I gave it this more blue looking effect. So it's the Lumetri Color clip, and this is a question that's on the certification practice test, so I'll show you how to do that. So I'm going to click on the clip right here that I added the effect to, and then I go over here to the effects panel in the program window. So click on effects, and then I opened up video effects, then I opened up color correction, and then I have the Lumetri Color, and I drag that onto my clip right here. And then if you go up here into the source monitor and click effect controls, you can see the Lumetri Color is added to that clip. And the way you change it to Blue Moon is you go over here where it says look, and it gives you this long list. You're welcome to try any of them out, but this is the one that they ask you on the practice test.